Hey Tesla owners, welcome back to another video. Today we want to show you the common issue that we have with the Model 3, Model Y roof racks not having enough thread. So what we can do here is you can see there's not enough thread for the lug nuts to screw on. So we can gently pull on the metal bracket. This will allow it to show some thread. This is the first option. Yep, as you can see there, it already comes out a little bit more. However, the more suitable way is you take out the rubber grommet. You can see here the metal bracket is too deeply slid into the position allowed because there's a lot of room there. All you need to do is slide out the metal bracket a little bit. As you can see, just like that, set it up more upright. This is the correct way of doing it. Put the rubber grommet back on and the roof rack itself, secure it. Yep, make sure it doesn't move around too much. Put the roof racks back in. Now you can see already how much more thread it's showing. And all you need to do next is hand tighten the lug nuts. After you've hand tightened enough, you can use our tool provided to turn it until the middle of the lug nut lines up with the roof racks. After, you can see the plastic bit, as long as it points to the end of our tool. Make sure to not over tighten as it can sometimes crack the top of your windscreen. So now next, all we need to do is turn the key to make sure we can lock your roof rack so that no one can steal it. As you can see the locking mechanism there.